wanted to do a quick video about the hydroponics setup that I got going here in my sort of greenhouse that's not totally a greenhouse. But anyway, got 4 rows here, about 34 strawberry plants, Albion variety. Fruits are just coming in. I'm getting a couple fruit per day off of these. Huge leaves on these things. I got a big hand. I'm a big guy, so that's not, normal scale, but still huge strawberry leaves. And I got them all in these net pots with hydroton or hydroton or however the hell they say it. So water comes in at the top here, and then in between every plant I put in one of these river stones to keep the water level slightly higher in between the plants to keep the roots submerged. And then the water drains out the bottom here. I made sure to put an extension on the bottom here to keep the water level up here constantly a little bit low, just like all the other ones. If you put the drain right here, I think it would have to get a little bit higher for it to get the pressure to flush it through if it got a little bit backed up. So anyway, just a couple inches on the bottom I think helps. And then it goes down and over into this, which is a fish pot. A couple extra holes in the bottom, filled it up with hydrogen, and the exit hose drains into there, and then out the bottom into my Pondless Waterfall. And this keeps all the water oxygenated. And I made this using slabs of recycled concrete from the patio I was taking out back. Put a tube up the back, pump down in there with pond liner, and filled it up with these stones here, and it came out really well. Originally I thought it was going to be a lot higher, but it ended up around 4 feet tall, which is good enough. Anyway, so that's the setup. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Well, I'm using the Fox Farm Grow Big Hydroponic. Make sure it's the Hydroponic. And also keeping the pH around 6 to 6.5 when I can. And I just add all the nutrients and stuff to the waterfall to mix it up. And then it pumps over here. Anyway, have a good one.